Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee, and we're going to be doing another hair tutorial today. So this one is actually going to be from Huerla Hair, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So in your box you do receive a bag that has goodies inside. It has the clips, has a hair scarf, it has wig caps, eyelashes, everything you need. And also this one came with the crochet needle and the headband, that like if you wanted to do the invisible what is it called, to blend your hair in basically. So we are going to be using a V-part unit today. Y'all know the V-part units are so in. I love the V-part units. This one is actually going to be a kinky straight V-part unit. So with the V-parts, you know, you could have a little bit of leave out or no leave out at all. I'm going to be doing a little bit of leave out. So as you can see, look how much hair I'm leaving out. I'm not leaving out much at all. You don't need much with the V-part units, which I really do love, versus a U-part. Like, you don't need much left out at all. So on the V-part, you do have like the little clips that just snap in place. So all you do is just push those clips in and they will pop open, and then you just push them back out and they will close. So all you're doing is snap them back in place. You do have a total of 5 on top. You have 2 on each side, and then you have 1 that's going to be on the top in the crown area, and then you do have combs that are on the side to help keep the unit in place, and then there is a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So now all I'm going to be doing is taking the roots of the V part and just teasing them just a little bit. If I was leaving no hair out, I would do this because it helps to make the roots look a little bit more kinkier, and also they look like they're coming out your scalp, so that you don't see that little black lace grid that is on the unit. But I have my leave it out, but I still wanted to just go ahead and do it that way. My hair will blend in a little bit more better. And as you can see how much hair I have left out, do you see that? All I'm gonna do is brush my hair in and it's just gonna disappear. I freaking love the texture of this unit, and when I saw that, I love the volume and everything. I was like, girl, I gotta keep this Diana Ross moment going. So that's what it looks like, and I was like, oh, it is so freaking pretty. I didn't want to like straighten and take the volume out of this unit, so yeah, I was like, girl, it is so freaking cute. So I'm gonna be doing is taking some cheese silk infusion, and I'm just gonna be not flat ironing, but hot combing the unit so I can get that package kind of, you see how it's not straight on the ends. That's all I'm doing, is just making sure my ends look kind of straight. I don't want the volume to disappear, but I just want my hair to look like this. So that's basically gonna be it for this unit. Like I said, I love the texture. The hair is so freaking pretty. I did get a little bit of shedding, but that was about it. On the website, it is showing for this length I have 24 inches, so it is going to be $221.55. So yeah, that is going to be it for this unit. I think it is such a gorgeous unit. I freaking love it. So I will leave a link down below on where you can check this unit out. So if you like this video, please to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Like, girl, she is giving Diana Ross. Hello.